Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Chava sketch. First, gather your drawing essentials: a few pencils, good quality paper, and a reliable eraser. Next, select a clear reference image of a Chava. This will be your guide throughout the process. Make sure your workspace is well lit to prevent eye strain and ensure you can see all the details of your drawing. Having the right tools and setup is crucial for a successful start to your sketch. Now, let's establish the basic proportions of your Chava. Begin by lightly sketching the main head shape and body outline using simple geometric forms. Think of circles for the head and ovals for the body sections. This initial framework is vital for accuracy. Carefully observe your reference image to ensure the relative sizes of features, such as the eyes and ears, are correctly placed. Don't press too hard. These are just guidelines. With the basic structure in place, it's time to add the finer details. Refine your initial outlines, making them more defined, and carefully draw in the Chava's specific facial features. Next, start introducing shading to give your sketch depth and dimension. Use different pencil pressures to create a range of tonal values, from light grays to darker shadows. This step truly brings your Chava to life, adding realism and character to your drawing. For the final touches, step back and review your entire Chava sketch. Look for any areas that might need slight adjustments or further enhancement to improve the overall composition. Use your eraser to carefully clean up any stray lines and to create highlights, making certain areas appear brighter. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep sketching. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.